Did you know that messenger apps allow you to communicate with your customers in a place where they want to have a conversation? This leads to better relationships, higher conversions, and the ability to scale your revenues more easily. And businesses like yours that use messenger bots have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Messenger Bot Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand what messenger bots are, how they work, and everything else you need to know before using them for your business. This report is for educational purposes only and is no way endorsed or in partnership with any third-party provider or service. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.